Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a pixel art on Canva mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design on my Canva and I'm going to turn this photo or this image to pixel art. If you want to do that, we can click on the photo and then we can go to effect right here, and you have to go to the apps, this one guys, and you can select pixelify. This one, just click on it, and then the photo will be automatically turned into a pixel art. And here you can customize the scale. You can increase the scale or you can reduce it like this, and it's up to you. You can customize it as you like, and then I'm going to increase it. Once you're done, you just need to replace, and then just wait for a moment until the process has completed. I'm just going to go back, and this is the result guys. And if this pixelify hasn't appeared on your Canva, you can search for this feature. You just need to go to the apps right here, and then you can search for the pixel art or pixelify is the same, and you have to activate this feature on your Canva. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn our image into a pixel art on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.